How to delete your Facebook business page. Are you looking to remove your Facebook business page? You're not alone. Many find that managing a Facebook business page can be challenging and sometimes unnecessary. Key takeaways. Here's a simple breakdown of what you need to do. To delete your Facebook business page, navigate to that page, click on Settings, select Remove Page, hit Edit, and finally, delete the page. Remember to wait 14 days to complete the deletion. If you want to deactivate your page instead of deleting it, go to your page, click on Settings, then find Page Visibility, and choose Page Unpublished. To unlink your business page from your personal account, head to your page, go to Settings, select Page Roles, click on Edit, and in the existing Page Roles area, choose Remove. Introduction. Are you tired of feeling pressured to maintain a Facebook presence for your business? Facebook is often hailed as the biggest social media platform, and many feel like they need to be a part of it. However, managing a Facebook business page takes a lot of time and resources, which not everyone has at their disposal. There could be several reasons prompting you to delete your Facebook business page. Perhaps your business has closed, or maybe it has shifted direction. It's also possible that juggling multiple pages has become overwhelming, and simplifying your online presence is what you really need. No matter the reason, it's crucial to understand that deleting a Facebook business page isn't as daunting as it seems. This guide is designed to simplify the process and provide you with easy-to-follow instructions to make this transition smoother. How to delete your Facebook business page. To successfully delete your Facebook business page, it's essential to follow specific steps. Open your Facebook business page. Go to the Settings section of your page. Find the option to Remove Page and select it. Click on Edit as prompted. Finally, choose the option to delete your page. Note that when you delete your page, you'll have a 14-day period during which you can change your mind. If you decide to keep your page, make sure to log in and cancel the deletion before the time is up. Deactivating your page. If you're wanting to take a break rather than delete the page entirely, consider deactivating it. To deactivate your Facebook business page, here's what to do. Go back to your page settings. Locate Page Visibility. Select Page Unpublished from the options. This process effectively hides your page without permanently deleting it, giving you the flexibility to return whenever you're ready. Unlinking from your personal account. If your priority is to unlink your business page from your personal Facebook account, here's how to do it. Head over to your page settings. Click on Page Roles. Use the Edit function, and in the existing Page Roles area, select Remove next to your name. This action will ensure that your personal account is no longer associated with your business page. Conclusion. Remember, deleting a Facebook business page is a significant step but can bring relief and clarity, especially if managing it no longer aligns with your goals. Want to learn more? Subscribe our YouTube channel.